What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to do with you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. Make a cut right here, and then kind of saw. So this package was sent to me by Scott Whittington of USA Made Blade. If you have not checked out USA Made Blade, they are definitely one of the places that I regularly go to shop for knives. You definitely should check them out. He asked me if I was interested in taking a look at another knife. And so here's why this package is intriguing to me. It's heavier than I would expect for what is in it. And oh, cool. Okay. Nice. Hey, nice. That's awesome. Big ol', it's like a mouse pad. Very cool, very cool. We'll just leave that right here in the middle so that we can do the rest of the unboxing on here. So here we go. There's what's inside the package. White River knife and tool. Interesting. So this has, it's sort of a, is it a seal that keeps me from pulling it apart? Yeah, so I guess I actually have to unseal this. And we're going to struggle around it on camera for a second here. Not too bad. You know what we're going to do? We're going to have the Lady of the Sea make a quick and precise cut so that we can go ahead and move on here. We'll go ahead over there. You can see the name of this knife here is the Knucklehead 2. We'll go ahead and peel this top part off. Very interesting box. Not a box that I see often on knives, meaning a wooden box like that. All right, so what we've got here is a fixed blade, and it's set up to where you can wear it like a neck knife. Okay, so right off the bat, I watched his review on this. I watched him talk about this, and the intriguing thing about it was how you hold it. And I was thinking, that's either an exceptional ergonomic design, or it's one that's not going to make any sense. Right off the bat, I can tell you that, to me, it looks like there's multiple different ways to hold it, but putting your finger right in through here is actually really, really comfortable. Now, I have a dedicated fixed blade. I've got the SE Izula, but I don't use it very much because it just doesn't feel very comfortable to hold. This is very intriguing. This is extremely intriguing. It probably is a setup where you could, kind of add your own flair to it by wrapping some paracord around it. But I really like all of these little holes here. I'll give you guys a close-up view of that beautiful stonewash. You guys know how much I love slight reflectivity on stonewash. S35VN, it's a USA made blade, obviously. Really, really cool. That is one that's going to be pretty fun to talk about. Very interested in going in depth on that. But as of right now, that is pretty much it for today's short little unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, then please subscribe to my channel because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.